2025 Toyota 4. Runner's 7 coolest features and Easter eggs. We've spent some time kicking around the 2025 4Runner, and here are 7 of our favorite facts, features, and Easter eggs on the SUV's 6th generation. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share 2025 Toyota 4Runner's 7 coolest features and Easter eggs, so let's enjoy. After a 15-year run, the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner is finally stepping off the stage. The spotlight is now fully shining on its replacement, the 2025 4Runner. There are 2 new trim levels, an off-road focused Trail Hunter and a high-end Platinum, bringing the lineup to 9 total grades. Now that we've had some time to kick around the new version, here are 7 of our favorite facts, features, and Easter eggs on the 6th generation 4Runner. Check out the full reveal too. Number 1. Our kind of power slide. The first feature on our list is actually an old one. Sorry, but we're just rejoicing that Toyota kept the power rear window. Toyota demonstrated the feature in a teaser video ahead of the full reveal here. Number 2. Wrap it up. Our second feature also pertains to the 4Runner's glass. Again, we're sorry. We just think the wrap-over glass in the rear quarter window is worth pointing out. The fancy glass is a nod to the 4Runner's first 2 generations, both of which featured a similar look. Number 3. Ready-made fun. As with the Tacoma before it, the new 4Runner earned itself a new Trail Hunter trim focused on overlanding capability. As with the TRD Pro model, the Trail Hunter will come equipped with the 326 HP 2.4-liter iForce Max hybrid engine. Number 4. High class. Speaking of new trims, the 2025 4Runner also adds a new Platinum grade to serve as a flagship model above the limited trim. It's got added niceties such as heated rear seats, rain-sensing wipers, a head-up display, and standard towing tech. Number 5. Breaking new ground. We've been talking about all these new trims, but we haven't covered the elephant in the room. For the first time ever, the 4Runner features a hybrid powertrain option. It comes standard on the TRD Pro, Trail Hunter, and Platinum models. The lower trim TRD Off-Road and Limited models can add it as an option. Number 6. Trick system. We spotted a disconnecting front anti-roll bar on both the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter models, and we're told the feature will be available as an option on the TRD Off-Road. We'll have to wait to know if it will be available as a standalone option like it is on the Tacoma. Number 7. Unique dampers. Both the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter models earn rear suspension with external reservoirs. TRD Pro models are equipped with Fox QS 3 dampers, featuring manually adjustable compression adjustments, while Trail Hunter models earn ARB Old Man EMU dampers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.